Hi, welcome.
ஆவது பண்ணி முன்னுக்கு வரலாம்னு பார்த்தா கால் வைக்கிற இடமெல்லாம் கண்ணி விடி வைக்கிறாங்களே.
Okay, so are we live now? Guess it is 5 o'clock. Yes, I have never been this punctual. Okay, so that's the truth. So me and punctuality, I am just so bad at it. All my friends and my cousins will know that. So they'll be really shocked that I am on time for once. Okay, so we have people here. Sasi, hey Amir. Okay, hello. Hi Sriram. Hi Nandini. Hello all of you. Hey. Hi, welcome. So good to see you all. So good to know that there are so many people who actually thought that this is worth spending their time. Thank you. That really means a lot to me. Prakash, I am fine. Thank you. Hey Lata, how are you? Deepti, hi. Yes, Srividya. That's Prasad, old college classmate. Oh, hi. Hello Vicky, hi. So good to see all of you. Thank you. I'm actually very excited. I'm doing this for the first time, okay? So if anything goes wrong, kindly excuse me for it because this is the first time ever I'm going live, and this is after a very, very, very long time. Almost after 15 years I am coming in front of the camera. It's not big screen. This is a very small thing, but still for me it's after a very, very, very long time. Yeah. Hey, hey Pavi, thank you. Hi Vignesh. Hello. Hey, that's so nice. So good to see all of you. So you can, okay, so I just wanted to clarify. Yes, this is like a thing that I'm doing for Happy Herbs, something that we started off as a very small thing, and now it's doing pretty well with God's grace. Chellame Chellam. Oh, thank you. But you know what? All that really embarrasses me because I somehow feel I was so bad then. I don't know. Okay. Hi Naveen. Shalini, missing your products. We have just resumed, Shalini, just to bring that smile on all your faces. Thank you, Priya. Thank you. That's so kind of you. Naveen, I like your eyes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you. Okay. So I was just saying that this is more like we talk about our future products. So are we back? I guess there was a small problem with the signal. There was a small signal problem, I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, so where was I? Yeah, so I was telling you that Happy Herbs, we started off as a very small thing, and then we thought, okay, why not, you know, take it forward and all of that. So I thought I'll come here to chat with a couple of my clients, and this can also be a very general chat, okay? So it's not going to be like completely skincare, Happy Herbs business and all of that. Can also be a nice general fun chat. So whatever you people want to ask me, kindly shoot out your questions and let's see how far I can answer them, whether it's convincing enough, whether I can answer all of it. Yeah, Mads, video paused. I think it's resumed back now, right? Hi Ratika, how are you? She's my college mate. Hi, do you have something for dark lips? Okay, see, the turmeric cream basically that we have, that can be used on the lips as well, so that will help you, but as such for the lips we haven't started anything as yet. We will soon work on one. Shri Vidya, you look stunning. Thank you, Shri Vidya. Thank you, that's so motivating. Hey Shru, what is the unique and special thing about Happy Herbs products? Okay, see, Happy Herbs, basically, let me tell you how I started off with it. Okay, it was I had absolutely no plans of getting into business at any point in life. I didn't know that I could be that active in working and getting into business and all of that. So Happy Herbs, if you see, I used to use I basically have a very sensitive skin. Okay, like my skin is very sensitive, like even facials or cleanups don't suit my skin. I immediately get rashes in my T-zone, this place. So that's when I thought, okay, fine, I should go for something that's herbal, something that's more natural. And then I started using this. So all this is basically what our grandmas used to suggest back then, and then we just kept ignoring. So but that really worked so well for me. Like I really loved the product a lot. My skin accepted the product so well. And then a couple of my friends, like if I would go out, they would ask me, what you're doing to your skin. So I would just tell them I'm using this. So I would get it for them if they really pursued and asked me. So that's how it all started, and they really liked it, and they were like, I want it monthly, you better just give it to me. And then they told their friends, so friends of friends, and that's how slowly I thought, why not, started off as a business. So that's how Happy Herbs started off. So I know how important it is for a woman to feel good. More than look good, I feel when you feel good, you feel really confident. So that's exactly why I thought, why not share this love, this little box of love with everyone as well. So that's how Happy Herbs actually started off. Would you be extending your skincare brand into botanical cosmetics like natural kajal or lip tint? Okay, kajal is something that a lot of people are asking me about. To be very frank, this that I'm using is not Happy Herbs kajal. So we have not yet got into that range, like kajal, lipstick, makeup related stuff, not as yet. We are going very slow with our launches because I'm really skeptical. You won't believe we started off Happy Herbs with just 2 products, okay, the turmeric cream and the glow serum. So this is exactly what we started off with, and because this was something that I was using for almost like 3-4 years back. So it was really being accepted by my skin, and I didn't want to let my clients try something that I have not tried on myself. So we started off with just these 2 products, and then slowly, as and when my clients got the faith on our brand and they started saying that we really like it, can you come out with a day cream, can you come out with this? So we take a long time in really making sure that our product suits most of the skin types, because all of us have different skin types and different allergic reactions, right? So we had to really make sure that we get a product that suits majority of the skin types, that doesn't harm any kind of a skin, not like it shouldn't be too harsh on the skin. So we go very slow with our launches. At the moment we have just 5 products in our range which can be used by both men and women. I have a lot of male clients and I have a lot of female clients. Female clients, though, that's the majority, but we also have a lot of male clients who are loving our products. So all our products are basically unisex, but we are going very slow with our launches. So as of now, skincare, maybe next a body cream, a face wash, and all of that is what most of our clients are really demanding for. Makeup range, we will slowly look into it. Would like a day cream with sunblock? Yes, we do have a day cream with sunblock. The whitening day cream comes with the sunblock. It basically improves the complexion. So I do not, I basically feel that healthy skin is the best skin, okay? So a friend of mine told me this, and it's just so true, I feel more than anything, if you feel your skin is healthy, then like that's the best skin, yeah. I want to know, do you have any activated charcoal product? Please share. Not as yet, but charcoal is something that even I am looking into. We are looking into a charcoal face mask, so maybe yes, we'll work on that. Hello Shrutika, love your products. Thank you so much. How are you? Fan of your eye power? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. That's very kind of you to say that. Thanks. Hey Shrutika, trust all is well. Can you suggest something for acne? My wife really needs it. Sure. For acne, I suggest the turmeric cream because basically turmeric as such is antibacterial in nature. Okay, so 90% of the composure of our cream is turmeric, and for acne that really does wonders. Yeah, so you can ping us on WhatsApp. Like we have a Happy Herbs page, so you can always ping us on WhatsApp. Ma'am, please don't call me ma'am, just call me Shrutika, okay? All of you, please don't call me ma'am and all of that makes me, I mean, it sounds like totally alien to me, ma'am and all that. Anything for blackheads, that the turmeric cream again is very good for blackheads. Hey Shrutika, this is Andrew. Hey Andrew, how are you? So Andrew used to train us back then in 99. When can we expect vegan makeup products? I just spoke about makeup, so I told you we're going really slow with our launches, and at the moment skincare is our priority. Which brand kajal do you use? I have done a IGTV video on this in Happy Herbs. So a lot of people kept asking me about my kajal. So I use Nykaa or Maybelline. So I switch between these two. You could try them, but just keep in mind, any makeup or any cosmetic, it suits people based on your skin type. You choose your product, because one, we may have an oily skin, so that way it may bleed, like it may, you know, smudge, and we may have a dry skin. Some people may have dry skin. So not only that, you also need to choose products based on the climatic conditions that you are in. Like for example, if I choose if I get a moisturizer, okay, so if I'm using my moisturizer here in Chennai with a hot summer, then I use very little moisturizer on my face post my shower. They say basically within 3 minutes post shower you use your moisturizer has the best impact. So I use it just very little in quantity during summer in for our climatic conditions, but when I travel and when it is a very cold place, and I use lavish amount of moisturizer. So the weather is also very important. Waiting for Happy Herbs goodie bag. Goodie bag is just going to be like a small gift from Happy Herbs for all of you. I mean, for 2 of you, sorry, not all of you, I can't afford that, okay? So 2 of you. Are you using lenses for eyes? No, I'm not. So this is hereditary. My granddad had it, my mom has it, my brother has it, so do I. Waiting, why you have named it Happy Herbs? Okay, that's a nice question. Okay, I named it Happy Herbs because I'm basically a very happy person, okay? I just like to be happy, and I like everything around me to be happy. So I'm basically very hyperactive. A lot of my friends and cousins will know how hyper I am. They get embarrassed going out with me most of the times because I'm so hyper. So this made my skin very happy. So the products made my skin really happy, and it's all herbal, so Happy Herbs. Hey Shivapriya, how are you? You look lovely, my babe. Thank you, babe. I need a goodie bag. Hi Da, Santoshi here. Hey Santoshi, I'm a big fan of your turmeric cream and glow serum. Thank you so much. Thank you, that's so motivating. Kajal brand I just mentioned. For you, please do answer it. You have used. Oh God, I guess I skipped that question. Glow serum, ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients, you could ping us on WhatsApp. We will send you a list of all the ingredients for all the products that we use, like completely. Any ideas of joining movies in Tamil? No, the flops that I gave are not enough, is it? You want me to give more flops? I am so bad at it. I am so bad at acting. Acting is not my forte at all. I am horrible. I'm least photogenic, and you know, when any song of mine pops up on TV, I run away or I switch off the TV because I am so terrible at it. So me and acting, no. Like, we are poles apart now. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you. That's very generous of you to say that. But I know I didn't do well in movies, and I won't do well also. How to apply glow serum? Okay, so glow serum, nothing. You just wash your face. Basically, it's an evening wear because the ingredients that are used is sensitive to sun or heat. So you wash your face, take about 7 to 8 drops. If certain skin types absorbs more, you can take little more, and then you just dab it on your skin. Like, don't massage it, okay? Dab it on your skin and leave it for 2 minutes. You will have a slight tingling sensation. That's nothing but it's the pollen of the flower that we use, which gives you that sensation. And then you won't find it oily. It will just get absorbed completely in your skin, and then it will just leave that nice glow. So you can apply your makeup on top, or you can just go like that. It will have that nice natural glow on your face. Could you please make moisturizing cream for hands? Yeah, sure. I told you next we are working on a body cream. We are working on something called Nalpramadhi Face Elixir. Now that elixir is just half an hour before you take a shower. It really gives radiance to your face. It's beautiful. Like, just before I took my shower, I used that. So it's just brilliant. I've not yet launched it. That and the face wash is next, and next is the body cream. Suggest something for dark circles. Dark circles, turmeric cream and face pack. Brilliant, but you need to give it time, and I don't want to just keep saying that it's only that external application. For dark circles, you need to sleep early, and the phone is like a big no after 10 o'clock. Please make sure my best friend, okay, she's on her phone, like at least Harsha Vivekanand, this is for you. She's on the phone at least till 12 or 1, and I keep checking on her if she's on her phone to just shut that down and sleep. So please get good sleep. For dark circles, and the turmeric cream works. Hey, do we need to use serum daily? Serum can be used every day or alternatively also. Basically, it's for an evident glow. It's not like a repair regimen like turmeric that you're using every day, but yes, serum you can use. It's for a nice glow, and it nourishes your skin. So yeah. Give us a background of how Happy Herb started. Yeah, so I just spoke about it. Like I told you, I was using it initially, and then my friends asked for it, so I thought, why not share it with them? And they really loved it. So they told their friends of friends, then their family, then they kept asking me for it. So I thought, okay, why not start it off as a business itself? So that's how Happy Herb started. No planning and all of that. We started off as a very small scale, and with God's grace, step by step, we're just moving forward. And only through the feedbacks that we get from our clients, only our clients have brought us up to this stage, where I'm able to even talk about my product so confidently. It's only and only because of my clients. It's their feedback, it's how nice they have been to us, and that we really get motivated to do something more and more and more for them. So it's only because of them, I would say. Otherwise, we have never had any television ads. We have never done any kind of print media celebrity endorsement. We have never done all of that. It's just through social media, and mainly our clients' feedback, word of mouth. So thanks to them. Sis, cause of lockdown, serum getting waste, so I started using daily evening. Will this help a bit at least? Of course it will. You can use it every evening. It nourishes the skin, and you'll get a nice glow, so you can. Can you give us some workshop about skincare? Okay, daily skincare, yes, I can. I will do that. I was prepared for this question. Okay, so what you do is, I would suggest that mornings, once you wake up, please, if you're using a night cream, then make sure you rinse your face, okay, with water. Please don't leave it just like that. And any moisturizer, please apply based on the climatic condition. If it is way too hot, very little is more than enough. If it's very cold, please use lavish moisturizer, but moisturizer is compulsory. And 3 minutes post shower, so that's the perfect time that you use a moisturizer, only on a cleansed face. And basically, I suggest for our climatic condition, when it is way too hot, when it is very sweaty, and when there's already too much of moisture content in the atmosphere, I suggest just take cucumber, grate it. I mean, I do this, okay? All this has really worked well for me, so I'm just sharing that with you, okay? So it's subjective. Yeah, so it will suit a majority of skin types, but yeah, it is subjective again. So what you do is grate cucumber, peel off the skin, grate cucumber, and just rub it on your skin, rub it on your face. So that's so cooling, and that's so nice. Also, once a day you can rub ice cubes on your face. That also really helps tighten the skin and refresh yourself. Plus a face wash, I use brand which we're going to launch soon. Also, I use this green gram powder which has worked wonders for me. Okay, so what you do is just take pachapairano, whole green gram. Okay, so you take that, you make it like a powder, like a nice fine powder. You mix it with water and you scrub it on your face and rinse it off. No soap or no face wash is needed prior or post. So this also once a day works like magic. Yes, and not only that, I also feel intake also is very, very important when it comes to skincare. Happy to see you after a long time. I couldn't recognize it was you. Oh, thank you, Abhinaya. Tell us about your beetroot juicy curd. Yes, I was coming to this. Okay, so I was just telling you about intake, right? You won't believe it, but please try it. This beetroot juice thingy is just horrible, okay, but it's brilliant for the skin. So what my mom used to do is, back in school and college, I used to so curse her. I used to be like, Ma, it was just terrible, okay, like she would just take raw beetroot, she would make juice out of it, and no sugar, no salt, like a very little portion, okay, just this much, a small glass. She used to make us, me and my brother, have it weekly once. And we used to curse her big time, okay, but she has done it consistently for so many years now. Beetroot is just not the thing, but she's done so many more other intakes that she's given us that it has done its job now. So it's it is, I can see it reflecting now, you know, and I'm so thankful to her, and I feel so sorry to have cursed her that time. Like, she'll never spare us. Even if we say no, even if we say Amma porumma vandi vande, she'll be like, it's okay, vomit, have another glass. She's like that. So but take it from me, this beetroot juice does wonders, just does wonders. You will realize it and you will thank me for it. Like, if you could just somehow push it down your throat, take that taste, that funny taste. I don't know if it's bitter or sweet or what, but it has a very funny taste, but it's brilliant. Please share what your product. Try introducing hair removal cream or mask. Yeah, sure, we'll work on one. Why you stopped doing films? Can we expect again? I just told you why I stopped doing movies, because I was so bad at it. Like, I was so terrible at it. So I stopped doing movies. That's just not my forte. Like, I didn't know back then how to act at all. I didn't know to dance. I was such a duddy. It was really, really bad, and that's why I thought, okay, that's not my forte. Will you ever get back to movies? Never, 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 never. I will never get back to movies, because I feel you should do something that you're really good at, that you feel that you're confident doing, that you're passionate about. And I'm not confident doing movies because I know I'm not good at it, so I better stay away from it. When will you come to Tamil industry, Vicky? That's what I answered now. So the Tamil industry has way better people and will also get way better people. So I feel they will only do justice, not me. What made you start Happy Herbs? I just answered that. Yeah, like friends of friends, word of mouth. Only 3 films I did. 3 in Tamil and 1 in Malayalam. Swapna Kondora Tula Baram. I don't know Malayalam, so that's a movie's name that I just by hearted. But everything was fun. I mean, me, not I'm not naming the movie, but me. I was worse in every movie. It was like that. Can we expect a lip balm and a lip scrub with beetroot? Yeah, sure, because even we are looking at lip care. I told you, lip care, body lotion, face wash is something that all our clients are asking for. So yes, you can expect it. Just we are waiting for this lockdown to completely lift. We have already started resuming work, but for new products to launch, we need that time. Tell us about your family. My family, I have I have one son. He's 8 years old, and my husband is damn supportive, very, very, very supportive in whatever I do. I'm actually a very happy person because I have lovely parents, I have lovely in-laws, I have lovely husband, and I have lovely friends too. So maybe that makes me a very happy person. Tell us about being a lecturer. Okay, so is that a student of mine who's asked me about this? Yeah, I love to teach, okay? Like I talk non-stop. Like till you tell me, Shrutika, shut up, I will talk. Okay, so I love to teach. It's always been a passion for me to teach. Like back then when I was doing my MBA, I'm a university rank holder. I know this is really too fishy saying all this, but it's nice, you know, because it takes a lot to get that kind of a rank, and I just like saying that off and, you know, flaunting that patch of my life. So yeah, so that's why I chose, because I was a university rank holder, I thought I'll pursue with my studies. Otherwise I had no plans of pursuing, okay? I just thought, okay, I'll get married, happy, chill. So I thought, okay, since I got the rank, why not pursue with my studies? And I did my MBA. So in MBA, they made me give back and forth presentations. As I told you, I'm pretty good at, you know, just yap. So I apparently took a lot of presentations in front of my class. So I kind of got a liking towards it. So I thought, why not teach? So I was, I worked for a company called ID Matrix for a short span. I just couldn't continue it because of Happy Herbs. Otherwise it was a fab place to work with, where we just actually freelanced. Like I would go to colleges like MOP Vaishnav, SIT, and I taught them presentation skills, interview tips and techniques, how to prepare the resume, and basically placement training, you know. So yeah, I was at that. Love your eyes. Thank you so much. It's nice, you know, to get compliments now, because back then I was so terrible. I don't know how, even those one or two people who liked me, I don't know how they liked me. I was so pathetic, so horrible. So now it's nice to get compliments. Are you a Satyabama student? I actually joined Satyabama initially, and then I had applied in SRM too, and I really wanted my admission there because I really wanted to study there. So the moment I got my admission there, I went there. So I'm basically an SRM student. I did my UG in SRM, I did my PG in SRM too. I know you stopped doing movies, but you are a good dancer, you must say, and you are rocking on Happy Herbs, and you can do a tutorial on how to apply kajal because you're so damn good. Oh, thank you so much, Gayatri. Love you. Thank you so much. Who's your model for testing your product before launch? That's an amazing question, okay? I think one goodie bag for you. My husband. Okay, so he's a guinea pig. So anything first I want to test, I'll test on him. Yes, so what motivated you to do these awesome creams? I told you, like, I just thought, why not share the love when people kept asking me what I'm doing to my skin. So I don't like to keep things to myself. I'm basically this girl with big mouth, okay? I keep blah 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 blah. So when I happen to say that, and when people happen to try it, they really liked it, and they rather me promoting my brand, they rather promoted it for me. So that is what I call genuine feedback, which out of God's grace we got only because of our clients. Wow, university rank holder, I never knew. Yeah, it's definitely hard. That's lovely, multi-talented, one of your happy customers. Thank you, Yarini. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wish you kept Happy Herbs. Happy spelling as different. Why you kept Happy spelling as different? Okay, I basically believe a lot in astrology and all of that, you know. So they said HAAPPY would work better. So I have this thing into astrology and all of that. So that's why. Hi Mahajupa. How is our brand different? Because basically I see every brand has its own positives and negatives, okay, and every brand is good in its own way. Like I would never put down a brand just to put up my brand, but I'll say that our brand has a lot of clients who speak for our brand. So more than any more than any kind of a known person and just endorsing our brand, not knowing whether they're actually using it or not, we have genuine clients who buy the product, who spend their money in it and feel that they have spent money worth, like they have they spend the money that they have spent is not a waste. So that's the kind of a marketing that we really believe in, like authentic raw marketing, like where more than you speaking for your product, your clients speak for your product to their friends, to their family. Now that really works. Focusing on goodie bag, what will you do if you would be born as a boy? What will I do if I be born as a boy? Then what will I do? Maybe I'll sight-touchify all the pretty looking girls and just have fun and chill. I'm still having fun as a girl also, okay? So why are you not acting now? I just told you why I'm not acting now, because I'm so bad at it. I'm one of your happy customer from Malaysia. Hey, hi Sujita. Oh yeah, we have customers from Malaysia, we have customers from Egypt, we have clients from the US, Sri Lanka. As of now, overseas it's these places predominantly, and I'm so glad that we have moved up. How do you balance your work life and personal life? Work life and personal life, how do I balance? See, basically I am very paranoid about keeping my house clean, okay? My house should be squeaky clean all the time. Like I'm always just cleaning, and everyone around me, even my friends now, they'll be like, you're just gone mad. You're just paranoid. So I'm like that. So, and when it comes to work, I really focus, like I don't, when it comes to my house, it's just my house, it's just my housework. So at that point in time, I don't bring in my work, and when it comes to work, it's just work. So I don't mix things, I don't let things stress me. I set out times for both, for my house and for my professional life, and I concentrate only on that in that particular point in time. So that's how maybe I am able to tackle it. Hi Prakash, hi Durai, Ashrafa, what motivated you for the business, especially skincare product? Okay, this is a nice question. See, I told you, even facials or cleanups hurt my skin, like I get rashes, and I always wanted to do it, okay? So if my friend would go in for a facial and would come out and their skin looked nice and pala, so I would really be in awe, I'd be like, wow, their skin looks so nice, when I should do something, and then when I tried a lot of products, it didn't suit me. Chemical based products don't suit me much, and then I tried I thought, okay, why not herbal, why not organic? And once I started trying that, it really made such a good impact on my skin, and it almost gave me that effect post facial, how your skin would look, that kind of an effect, and I really started liking it. So I thought there must be so many other people who have similar skin like mine, like who have issues with chemical based products and not many things suit them. So I thought, why not let out this love, this whole bunch of love to all the other women out there too, in fact the men too. Shrutika, are you an ashramite? Okay, I did my schooling, my full schooling in Adarsh Vidyalaya. From my LKG to +1, I was in Adarsh Vidyalaya, girls higher secondary school. Only +2 I did in ashram, because +1, 10th standard to +1 is when I started doing movies. I was just 15 years old then. A lot of people will be like, what, just 15? I know I look really mature, I look really I don't know, I didn't look nice at all. So I was just 15 years when I did movies. So it was between my 10th standard, 11th, and 10th apparently beyond doing movies I got 80%. So I fared decently, but 11th standard is when I did the balance 3 movies. So I was lagging on attendance. And I really wanted to pursue, because I was continuing with my education. So then I joined ashram. Lata ma'am was really sweet, like she understood my position, and she had the faith that I would really score well, looking at my report on how I had studied how I had fared previously. So she took me in, and plus 2 alone I did in ashram. Any products for body whitening? A body cream, yes, we are going to bring in. As I told you, generally, you know what these whitening creams do? They bring back your birth color. They bring back the best of your complexion out, and they make your skin look really, really healthy. So as I said, more than whitening, the healthy skin is the best skin. So when you get back that your natural healthy skin is when you feel really confident. So we are working on it for the body as well, because we have a lot of clients asking for a body cream. Hey Shrutika, what do you think real beauty is? Real beauty is from within. So from within, if you're happy, from within, if you wish well. Do I sound like some Swami here talking all this? But I really believe it. If you're just happy, and if you make sure that you even think, wish well for others, it's just going to reflect on you. Would you like to introduce some nature-based treatment for corona? Okay, so we have this is not like a treatment, but it's an immunity powder which we make out of turmeric and a lot of other herbs also. So I'm naming it the golden powder. We are just in the process of making it. Like this can be it's just to be mixed with 1 spoon of lukewarm water, and you drink it 1 glass a day. It's so good to boost your immunity. So we're looking at launching this soon, because even kids, infants, anyone can take it. It's really, really, really good. I have it, and my entire family has it too, so I thought I should bring this out too. Thank you for bringing that to my notice. What is the silliest thing you have heard people say about you? About me? The silliest thing that I've heard people say is, ma'am, neenga supera nadichirkeenga. Oh God, I was so horrible. Like I just couldn't act, and someone is so kind to say that I did a good job, knowing that I didn't do a good job. That's the silliest thing. Like I can't accept that comment myself. Your ingredients in skincare are unique. How did you get to know about the blend of all? Okay, so I have not studied skincare. Okay, so basically all this is something that, you know, what our grandparents and all of them suggested. You mix this with this, and this really works out well. We have a group of doctors, Ayurvedic doctors, who advise us on the composure too. Okay, so it's not personally me who studied dermatology, skincare, and finding all this in the lab. So that's not how it's working. We have a group of Ayurvedic doctors who advise us. I expected this answer from you. Stay happy as always. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ma'am, your eyes are killing. Little gift. Thank you. Little gift. That's like a little gift to me that you gave. You're looking nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any supplement you making in Happy Herbs for skin complexion? Not intake. Intake, I believe, in all natural, like you just have beetroot juice, you have carrot juice. I used to have something called ABC juice. That's also something that my mom gave me back then and tortured me. That's apple, beetroot, and cucumber together. And then she used to give us, me and my brother, carrot juice. All this, no sugar, no salt. Okay, tomato juice. All ridiculous juice. The juice and the juice, beetroot juice. So all of this, but take it from me. What she did, we fussed so much to have it, okay, but now I'm just thanking her. I'm really, really, really thanking her. So if I say that this is only because of Happy Herbs, I'm lying. So it's also the intake that is needed. Actually, you can do future movies, Anita, like Bahubali, Anushka. Oh God, Anita, are you bullying me by any chance? Bahubali, Anushka was so good. Look at me. How are you maintaining your body? Okay, how am I maintaining my body? I work out at F45. Now, this is not something that, I'm doing it to market F45 or anything like that. But if you really, really like something, just like how our clients really like our product and they talk about it themselves even without us asking them to, just like that. I really like working out at F45. I work out at F45 Ananagar, Chennai. So it's just brilliant. It's just 45 minutes, and 45 minutes you are dead and out. Like we come out like as if you have had a bath. You're totally wet, drenched, and it's like you're slaughtered. It's like that, and it's just 45 minutes of your time the entire day. And because I don't believe in dieting, I love to eat. I just love food. Food and me are like this. We love each other. So I love food, and yeah, so I can never diet. I have a sweet tooth. I'm most of the time at Movenpick Nungambakkam having espresso flavored ice cream or chocolate ice cream with Belgium waffle. Go and try it. It's too good. It's yum. Okay, and think of me when you eat it. Okay, I suggested it. So I don't believe in dieting, so F45 has really come up that way to me, you know, like it saved me. It's like you can eat what you want and work out every day, you stay fit. It's like that. I just love the trainers, I just love the team, I love how hygienic the place is, how it's maintained, and what the kind of workout. It's not monotonous, it's not boring every day same workout. Every day is different, and it's just wonderful. It's just wonderful. It keeps me going, it keeps me fit. So 100% that's the reason. Being a mom, you look stunning. You are affordable for Santur mom. Oh, thank you so much, Humay. That's so sweet of you to say that, because it really takes a lot, you know, to maintain yourself post-delivery. Your entire body changes, your looks change, and the moment I was a very young mother, okay, like I delivered when I was 25 years old. Yeah, so and at that point in time when it really takes a toll on your body when you deliver a baby. It's a huge thing. So when you listen to comments at that point in time that, oh my god, you're gaining weight, oh my god, you look old, not your age, and all of that, all that is very harsh. And you know, all those comments, somehow more than me taking it in a wrong way, I took it in a very positive way, and I thought, okay, this is something that is not going to stay with me, and I'm going to battle this out, and I'm going to get back to looking really fit and fine and nice and confident. So maybe that has really pushed me. You are so down to earth, though you have a filmy background. Way to go. Thank you so much. There's nothing much in it, you know, like I don't know what, I don't see a reason to have an heir just because you have a film background. Yes, my granddad was a legend. He was too good. I just couldn't match him in any possible way. But kudos to what he did. He was good at it, and maybe I'm good at this. Thank you, Durai Preet. Please launch new products for hair care. Sure, I will do that. You are very humble. Love your products. I'm your happy customer. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. My skin and hair is glowing because of your products, and I am glowing because of your comment. Thank you, Divya Vinod. Please introduce lip balm, dear. Sure. Lip care for sure, okay? 100%. One day workshop on skin and hair. Sure, we will work on that. I will come up with a video soon to give a workshop. Hair, I have abused and raped my hair. Literally, I tell you how, by coloring it 100 times, 100,000 times with different colors. Like if you see my Insta profile, every vacation I go, you'll see a red, you'll see a blue, you'll see a green, you'll see all of that in my hair. So I've just abused it. But I do a lot of things to, you know, to cope with the damage that I've done. Like at home, I apply the small onion paste. It is damn good. You should try it. Like you get a lot of shampoos and all of that with small onion, but applying small onion juice extract on your hair, like directly on your scalp, not on your hair, on your scalp, is way much more effective than getting a small onion shampoo or an oil. It's just brilliant. Like you can see baby hair growing everywhere. So that's something that I do to maintain. And then I also use my hair oil very regularly just before a hair wash. And yeah, so I make sure that I keep, I also apply this yogurt. If people don't mind the egg, then yogurt and egg mixed together, apply just 30 minutes before you wash your hair. It's just brilliant, because normally conditioner makes my hair really fall. So I'm not too much of a conditioner person, but this really helps. Please introduce under eye products. I have a pretty stubborn dark circle. Yeah, sure, I will do that. A lot of people also asking me, especially for under eye, but for the under eye, the face pack and the turmeric cream, a combination of both this does wonders for under eye. Like your under eye don't look puffed up. It also works on dark circles, and for dark circles, please make sure that you get good amount of sleep at the perfect time. So it doesn't matter that if you're getting 8 hours of sleep from 3 in the morning to about 11 in the almost pre-noon. So that's not going to help. The perfect time is somewhere between 10 and 6. So that time, if you try to catch up with your sleep, take it from me, does wonders. You know what my mom used to do? She was so strict, like a Hitler. So what she used to do is 10:15 sharp, she used to seize our phones. So I used to give off my phone to my mom, or I needn't give it to her. She'll come and just snatch it away. So it was snatched, and she'll put it in her cupboard, and she'll lock it, and she'll keep the key under her pillow, and she'll sleep. So she said, which mom will do this? Why are you torturing me? And today, I know, I can see the effect of that. Like, it has worked somewhere well for my eyes, and I have got that kind of sleep. I haven't stressed my eyes too much on that phone. So all that, somewhere down the lane, kudos to all her efforts, to just all her efforts. I love your hair oil. Thank you so much. So happy. Shru, Tamil, please. Sure. Tamil பேசலாம். Why not? நீங்க கேளுங்க. Love the way you carry yourself. Thank you, Dave. Please do make a hair mask for hair fall and dandruff. எங்களோட ஹேர் ஆயிலே நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹேர் ஃபால்க்கு வந்து ரொம்ப கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணும். ஹேர் ஃபாலை ரொம்ப கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ உங்களோட ரூட்ஸை வந்து ஸ்ட்ரென்தன் பண்ணும். அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ப்ரீமெச்சூர் கிரேயிங் கூட கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணும். ஸோ ஹேர் ஆயிலே ஒர்க்ஸ். ஏன்னா எங்களோட ஹேர் ஆயிலில் வந்து பேசிக்லி செம்பருத்தி, கரிசலாங்கண்ணி கீரை, அதுக்கப்புறம் லாட் ஆஃப் பெப்பர், ஆரோ ரூட், இதெல்லாமே நாங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இது எல்லாமே இஸ் வெரி பெனிஃபிஷியல் ஃபார் தி ஹேர். My one favorite product from Happy Herbs, எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது, அதாவது நான் ட்ராவல் பண்ணும்போது எங்கே போனாலும் நான் எடுத்துன்னு போகிற 2 விஷயம் வந்து என்னோட டே மாய்ஸ்சரைசர் அண்ட் என்னோட டர்மரிக் நைட் க்ரீம். இதுதான் நான் எங்கே போனாலும் எடுத்துன்னு போவேன். I cannot travel without these two. And இன்னொரு ப்ராடக்ட் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது வந்து க்ளோ சீரம். அது வந்து நான் எங்கே வெளியே போனாலும் அந்த சீரம் அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு போவேன். பிகாஸ் அது ஒரு ரொம்ப நல்ல நேச்சுரல் க்ளோ கொடுக்கும். என்னை கேட்குறவங்க கூட நான் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி என்னோட சீரம் போட்டிருக்கேன், உங்கள் ஸ்கின் ரொம்ப க்ளோ ஆகுது, என்ன போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னா நான் சீரம் போட்டிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுவேன். பட் என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப பெஸ்ட். அவர் என்ன சொல்வார்னா, ரொம்ப நல்லா க்ளோ ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அவர் வந்து தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச், இதெல்லாம் கேரட் ஜூஸ் தான் அப்படின்னாரு. So these 3 are my favorite. Love all your products. Thank you Saranya. Hair oil does wonders. Have tried many oils. After using your hair oil, it is awesome. Thank you so much, Bamini. Hi Kavita. Tamil super. Tamil கண்டிப்பாக சூப்பராக தானுங்க இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் எங்கள் அப்பா வந்து சவுத் இண்டியன், முதலியார். ஸோ நான் சென்னையில் தான் பிறந்து வளர்ந்தேன். ஸோ ஏன் எனக்கு தமிழ் வராது? கண்டிப்பாக தமிழ் வரும், ரொம்ப நல்லாவே வரும். அம்மா வந்து பஞ்சாபி. ஸோ ஸ்கூல்லலாம் செகண்ட் லாங்குவேஜ் வந்து ஹிந்தி. ஏன்னா அம்மாவால் ஹிந்தி தான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க முடிஞ்சுது. ஸோ அம்மா வந்து பஞ்சாபி, அப்பா வந்து முதலியார். ஸோ நான் வந்து எங்கே பிலாங் பண்ணுறேன்னு எனக்கே தெரியும். எங்கேயோ நடுவில் எங்கேயோ இருக்கேன். whitening cream and turmeric cream super duper. Thank you. உங்கள் ப்ராடக்ட்லாம் எப்படி ரெடி பண்ணுறீங்க? As I told you, we have a team working for us. So our entire team works for us, and not only that, I also have a lot of people who like Ayurvedic doctors who suggest us on the composure and all of that. So one second, my friend is trying to show me something which she's not able to figure out on what to show me and how to show me. Yeah, so turmeric. Okay, now for people who are allergic to turmeric as such, like manjal எனக்கு சூட் ஆகாது அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க வந்து please don't try the turmeric cream. ஏன்னா 90% of the composure is turmeric. In that case you can go for the day cream, because the day cream doesn't have manjal in its ingredients. Your catalog, do you have an online shop? ஆமா, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா you can just ping us on WhatsApp. You can ping us on Happy Herbs, HAAPPY Happy Herbs ன்னு சொல்லி எங்களோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஹேண்டில் இருக்குது. அதில் நீங்கள் இன்பாக்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா நாங்கள் வந்து எப்படி ஆர்டர் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுவோம். அண்ட் கேட்டலாக் ஷேர் பண்ணுவோம், இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் பற்றி சொல்லுவோம். ப்ளஸ் உங்களோட ஸ்கின் டைப் என்னென்னு நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்கன்னா அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸை சஜஸ்ட் கூட பண்ணுவோம். Yes, we will consult with you regarding your skin, regarding whatever, however your skin type is, and then we will suggest a product if you wish to. If you wish that we should consult, then, if we should suggest, then yes, we will. Hi ma'am, just joined. That's okay, I'm so happy though late you made it, and that's like taking out your time for me and for Happy Herbs. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. This is the first time I'm watching Insta Live because of you and your product. Thank you so much. That means just so much to me, just so much. You won't believe it, but it really means a lot. Your time, you coming over for a live chat with me means immense to me, like just really. Ma'am, please tell our viewers about our soon to launch website. Yeah, sure. So this is from our company. So we'll be launching our website soon, wherein you can order through the website itself. We are also revamped all our bottles for no extra cost, because our clients have been so humble, so good, so nice to us, and they are going out of the way telling their family, their friends about our products, which they needn't do actually. So for them we have revamped, giving them better elite looking bottles at no extra cost at all. You're a stunning woman. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. How do you manage your work-life balance? As I told you, like when it comes to home, it's only home. Nothing to do with work. And when it comes to time to work, nothing to do with home. It's just time for work. So I just concentrate. I don't mix up things. I just concentrate in one particular thing at a time. So one at a time. Thank you for your amazing product. Thank you, Aarti, for using them. I should thank you. Me too, watching you first. I didn't know about your product, short demo, but I know you very well. You know me very well, Sarika. Okay, thank you. About my products, we deal with herbal skincare. That's what we have been talking about. All pure herbal products which are not harsh on the skin, and basically skincare and hair care. On pregnant women, is this safe to use? Okay, pregnant women, during my pregnancy, when I was pregnant, I used my creams and they were absolutely safe. None of ours is an intake, so it's just external application, so it is very, very safe to use it. Absolutely no issues at all. Like all through my pregnancy, I wanted to maintain my skin, I used it. But at that point in time, I didn't start off Happy Herbs, so it was only me who was using the product, me, my family. Just love your vibes. Thank you so much. I love you too. Yes, all our products are 100% natural, and we also, in fact, we have a lot of clients who also told us that they have taken picture and they have shared. You can also see on our Happy Herbs FB page or Insta handle. They have taken picture and they have shared, like within a couple of days, like if you keep the bottle open, of air seeps in, or if you keep it next to a metal, okay, then the turmeric cream kind of turns a little black in color. That happens only with very, very natural products where you don't use chemical preservatives. And we also have a client who has taken a picture of the hair oil. She lives in She lives somewhere next to Ooty. Yeah, so it is very cold, the temperature there, and the oil became like a paste. So she said, Shrutika, my grandmother told me that only natural homemade oils in cold climatic conditions become like this, like it really thickens. So I'm so happy that yours is so natural. So in that case, what I suggest clients to do is, you just keep the oil bottle in a hot water container. Don't directly heat it. Keep it in a hot water container, a vessel filled with hot water. Put the bottle inside, and it'll melt back to your oil form. Any tutorial to makeup? Makeup, my only to-go tip is keep it very simple. The lesser, the better. Less is more. So that's what I believe in. Like for me, at the max, it's my kajal, it's my mascara and lipstick. Yeah, so for me it's that. So less is always more. So keep it really simple, and naturally you look beautiful. No, can we use your products along with our skincare routine? Yes, of course you can use our products with your skincare routine, like whichever face wash you use, and then you can use your regular makeup or sunblock on top of our day cream. So you can use your products, absolutely no harm at all. My friend is going on and on telling me that, Shrutika, it's just time, you finish this, it's going to be 6 o'clock, stop talking. No, you should see that friend of mine. Harsha, say hi, come. I've been torturing her from yesterday, so that's Harsha. And I've just been, say hi Harsha. Hi. What you laughing? Okay, so I've been torturing her from yesterday. Harsha, I'm very bad at this technical part of it, okay? Like, very, very bad. Harsha, do this poster. Harsha, how do you get this done? Harsha, how do I set the frame? I've only been torturing a poor girl. She's been tortured by me. You're very down to earth. Keep the spirit. Wishing you all success in this journey. I'm happy customer of Haryam. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Harsha, someone is telling you hi. Your mom's daily routine for beauty from childhood. Yes, that's like a long list. Yeah. So she used to have this Monday, she would give me carrot juice. Tuesday, beetroot juice. Wednesday, ABC juice. Apple, beetroot, carrot. Every day it'll get worse, the taste. Thursday, coconut water. Friday, கீரைல வந்து சூப் வச்சு கொடுப்பாங்க. அது ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியாலாம் இருக்காது, but it will be like that. Then hey Neha, hello baby. Lata, how do you manage this gorgeousness? Oh, she's pulling my leg. She's my cousin, and almost more than a cousin, I call her my best friend. I just love her so much. Thank you, Lata, for being there, but I'm not going to answer that question of yours. Your eyes, big fan. Thank you so much. Are you a strict mama too? Very, very strict. I am not like this at all at home. You'll see a totally different me. Like, you'll think I have multi-personality disorder. I am like that. Okay, so for your hair, please try the small onion paste which I told you. Just mash it with very little water, apply it on the scalp where you've lost hair, and do it at least weekly twice. It's going to give you a pungent smell. Even when you wash your hair, the smell is not going to go off, but that's okay, that's fine. As long as you can tolerate that smell, it really regenerates hair growth. And our hair oil is amazing because it has most of the essential herbs to curb hair fall, and to regenerate hair growth too. So you could try this, and if a conditioner is aggravating the hair fall, try and use the yogurt and egg mask for the hair, at least weekly twice. And wash your hair. I believe that you wash your hair at least weekly thrice. If you don't have a sinus problem and all of that. Okay, so Harsha is telling me enough. Time up. Stop talking. Enough. This is what she's telling me. So you're not answering my question, Shru. Maybe so many questions coming up. Hey Vijil, I'm so sorry. I think I missed your question. What was it? Looking gorgeous. Thank you. This is Ramya. Looking cool. Thank you, Ramya. That's so sweet of you. You're a super mom. Thank you, Maha. I am good. Big thanks to Harsha for making this happen. Oh, see, my team also is wishing her now. She is such a tolerable human being. She tolerates me is like the biggest thing. And if you can tolerate me, you can tolerate like anything in this world, you know. So I've given her that tolerance power. And you're looking much cuter, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. So happy hearing all these compliments. You know, all this really gives me those nice positive vibes when I hear good things from people. And when people
குத்துரா ஆஹா வலுவா குத்துவான் போல் இருக்கு.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.